Tired of chasing dead-end leads? Let's unlock Zillow's hidden potential for finding truly motivated sellers who are ready to make a deal. First, head over to Zillow and narrow your search to your target area. This is the area you want to invest in. Then, click on the filters button at the top. Under listing type, make sure you have both for sale and, crucially, potential listings checked. Potential listings include pre-foreclosures, for sale by owner, and other listings that may contain a motivated seller. Next, refine your search based on the price range and the number of beds and baths that fit your investment strategy. Don't spread yourself too thin, be specific. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Scroll down to keywords and type in phrases like needs TLC, fixer-upper, motivated seller, or estate sale. These are often signals of distress or urgency. When reviewing listings, carefully read the property description. Look for keywords like ASIS, urgent, relocation, divorce, or inherited. These are huge indicators. Pay close attention to the listing history. Have there been multiple price reductions? Is the property has been on the market for an extended period? These are signs that the seller might be more willing to negotiate. Finally, note the listing date. The longer a property sits on Zillow, the higher the chance the seller will be motivated to make a deal, because the longer they wait, the more money they lose. By using these simple tricks, you can transform Zillow from a casual browsing site into a powerful lead generation tool. So get out there, find those motivated sellers, and close some deals. Be sure to like and subscribe for more real estate investing tips.